Good morning everyone. Assalamu alaikum. How are you dears? All are fine? Okay. Today again with your grammar and our new chapter models. What's the name of our chapter? Models. What is the name of our chapter? Models. All of you open page number 64. We already discussed voice, its rules and everything we discussed. Then today we are going to discuss our chapter models. Okay. Words such as, I think no need to introduce models in front of you because you already know and its use also. Okay, all of you listen. Models. Words such as shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, must, ought to, need, dare and used to are called modal verbs. Which are the modal verbs? All of you read again. Read again, my dears. Shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, must, ought to, need, dare and used to are called modal verbs. Since these verbs are used along with the main verbs, they are also called modal auxiliaries. What we can call modal auxiliaries. Remember that modals don't change irrespective of the tense of the verb. Okay, what is the first thing we want to remember? Yes, modals not change irrespective of tense of the verb. Then that is they don't have ed, ing forms. If it is present tense, past tense, will, shall, should, not sorry. The present, past and future of these our models, which are the shall, should, will, would, may, might, we can't change and we can't add ed or ing with these modal verbs. Understood? Then all of you read again that paragraph. Modal words such as shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, must, ought to, need, dare and used to are called modal auxiliaries. Okay, modal verbs. We can call these are modal auxiliaries. And we know that we couldn't change these all things irrespective of tense of the verb. That is, they don't have ed or ing forms. Understood all of you? Okay, then we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, first we want to take which is the first one? Yes, will. We are going to discuss about will. Then we used will to, then which are the ways, for what purpose we are using will? All of you listen dears. For what purpose we are using will? We use will to talk about the future. We know that. What is that? To talk about future. Yes, will ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് എവിടെയാ? Main to talk about future. The forecast said that it will rain tomorrow. Okay. Show determination. Determination. I will do my best to win the badminton championship. It's not over, but it's coming. It is coming. Then surely I will do my best. It shows our determination. Understand? Okay. And make promise and offers. Which is the next one? To make promise and offers. And we will replace the faulty water purifier at no extra cost. The negative form of will is used will not, won't, right? And it is contracted as won't. Then we understood about will. Like future lana, determination ana, make promise and offers ana, three use ana endinullathu will. We are going to our shall. Then all of you listen. Shall. We are going to talk about shall, the modal auxiliary. We use shall with the I and we to make suggestion. Shall we visit Ganchikule this weekend? Remember, shall is rarely used nowadays, especially in spoken English. In most cases, will is used instead of shall. Understood? We shall with we of you. We use shall with I and we to make suggestion. Shall I? I think you are familiar with the word shall I, right? Okay. Then nowadays we rarely use shall in our spoken English. The negative form of shall is shall not. It's contracted as shan't. Understood? Okay. Then we are going to can. It's a simple chapter. Listen carefully. Okay. Can. We use can to talk about someone's abilities. Yes means I can. What is the meaning? Yes, ability. Manju can speak French and Tamil fluently. Ask for permission informally. Can I watch television for half an hour? Ask for permission informally. Informally, not formal. Informally. Then make a suggestion. Which is the next one? Make a suggestion. We can request Uncle Ken to help us. Make a suggestion. Next, talk about possibility. Next, talk about possibility. How we can write? It can become cold and windy in November here. Talk about possibility. And negative form of the can is cannot and can't. We know that, like can, cannot and can't. And now we are going to talk about could. All of you listen. We are going to talk about could. We use could. Okay, we completed can, will, can. Like can and the usage. Talk about someone's abilities. Then next one, ask for permission informally and also make suggestion and talk about possibility and everything. Like then we are going to talk about can in the next one. Could. Okay. All of you listen. Could. We use could to ask for permission. Ask for permission. Could I use your phone for a minute? Then could is more polite than can. Can ഇതിനെക്കാട്ടിലും ഒന്നും കൂടി പൊളൈറ്റ് ആണ് ആര്? Could. Polite എന്നാണ് ഒന്നും കൂടി വിനയത്തോടു കൂടി നമ്മൾ ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മൾ കുടിയൂ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? അത് പൊളൈറ്റ്നെസ് ആണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. Then next, politely ask or tell someone something. Then here all of you listen. Pratha, could you help me clean the cabinet? Talk about someone's ability in the past. Someone's ability in the past. All of you listen. Leela could paint when she was 3 years old. Understand? Okay. The negative form of could is could not. Then could എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ക്യാനിനെക്കാട്ടിലും ഒന്നും കൂടി പൊളൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് could. And also politely ask someone or something. Then here talk about someone's ability in the past. പാസ്റ്റിലുള്ള ഒരാളുടെ എബിലിറ്റിയെ കുറിച്ച് പറയാൻ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കും? could ഉപയോഗിക്കും. Okay. Then next thing that is ours may. What is the next auxiliary? May. Usage of may. We use may to formally ask for permission. Understood? Ask permission. Word canum endana permission aanu. Adu endana? Informal permissions we can ask. Can alla could. Okay, but may ennu parna formally ask for permission. May I leave now? May I come in sir? ചോദിക്കൂലേ? അത് formally ആണ് അല്ലേ? informal അല്ല. informal way, informal formal. You know that there is difference between formal and informal. When we talk about our principal or any other officers, surely we want to talk formally. Formally നമ്മൾ talk ചെയ്യുക അല്ലേ? When we talk about with our friends, how is there any change? Yes, we have change ഇല്ലേ? ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്ന പോലെയാണോ നമ്മൾ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിനോട് സംസാരിക്കുക? നോ, അതാണ് ഫോർമൽ ആൻഡ് ഇൻഫോർമൽ. Then talk about possibilities. It may get colder during the night. And all of you listen. Then next one we are going to discuss the negative form of may is may not. It is not contracted. May not ne orikkalum namakku endu cheyan kazhilla contract cheyan kazhilla. May ennullathu may not ennu valudaki ennu wide aaki thanne ezhudan pattullu. Okay, then remember may could can are also used as questions. However, may and could are more polite, and may and could are more polite and formal. Understood? Can is generally used to questions informally. Informal questions ചോദിക്കാനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക? Can ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. Okay, then we use might. Might to talk about possibilities. Next auxiliary ഏതാണ് നമ്മളുടെ? Might. Might to endana talk about possibilities. This evening's flight might be get cancelled because of bad weather. The negative form of might is might not. Remember, we can use may and might interchangeably to talk about the possibility in the future. Although might suggests less certainty of something happening than may. Understood? Okay, then we are going to discuss must, which is the next one we want to discuss. Must. Must. Okay, all of you take that question. When answering questions using models, pay attention to the word order. Where I can find that book? No, where can I find that book? Question word കഴിഞ്ഞ സബ്ജക്റ്റിനെ അല്ല കൊടുക്കുക, നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് കൊടുക്കുക? Question word കഴിഞ്ഞ നമ്മൾ നേരെ auxiliary we want to put auxiliary, right? Okay, then talk about next must. We use must to say that something is necessary. You must exercise daily to stay fit. Understand? എന്താണ് must എന്തിനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? Must നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് പറ. Necessary exercise, that is something necessary. You must. And advice recommended something strongly. You must read My Family and Other Animals by Gerard Jural. Then talk about possibilities. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ ഓക്സിലറീസിനും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരൊറ്റ കാര്യം എന്താണ്? പോസിബിലിറ്റീസ് എല്ലാത്തിലും കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. You must have left for classes in the washroom. Then the negative form of the must not. It is not contracted. It is contracted as mustn't. അല്ലേ? mustn't നമ്മൾ mustn't എന്ന് പറയാം. അല്ലേ? Then the necessary ആണ് അല്ലേ? Okay. Next should. We use should to give advice, talk about obligation or duty, and predict something that you think surely going to happen. എന്തായാലും നടക്കും എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം എന്താണ്? ഭാവിയിൽ നടക്കും. You should. The negative form should is should not. All of you listen. Give advice. You should be careful while filling the admission form. Then talk about the obligation or duty. You should respect your teachers. Understood? You should respect your teachers. Then predict something that you think is surely going to happen. Mala should be here in about 10 minutes. Listen again. It's more important. It's little bit important, which is give advice. We use should to give advice. Understood? Advice. Then talk about obligation or duty. നമ്മളുടെ ഡ്യൂട്ടിയെ കുറിച്ച് പറയാൻ നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടത്? should ആണ്. Okay. Then predict something that you think is surely going to happen. Then next, that is would, which is the next one here. All of you read that would now. Would. Okay, then give me would. We use would to make a request or give a polite instruction. Request ചെയ്യാനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? would ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. Talk about something that could have happened, and the negative form of the would is would not. All of you listen again. We use would to make a request or give a polite instruction. ഒരു polite ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ഷൻസ് കൊടുക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം? നമ്മൾ would ഉപയോഗിക്കാറുണ്ട്. Talk about something that could have happened. would have happened. Then all of you listen. We are going to discuss ought to. What is that? Ought to. Ought to. We use ought to say what we think is the right thing to do. All of you listen. You ought to be more attentive in the classroom. ഈ ought to ഒന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഫെമിലിയർ ആയിട്ട് സ്പോക്കൺ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കലില്ല. ബട്ട് അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കണ്ട എന്നുള്ളതല്ല. ഷുവർലി യു വാണ്ട് ടു നോ, ഷുവർലി യു വാണ്ട് ടു ഫെമിലിയർ വിത്ത് ought to. Say that we think is the right thing to do. Right? You ought to be more attentive in the classroom. Understood? Then advise someone or recommend something to someone. Then Mahitosh ought to leave now if he wants to reach home in time. Talk about something expected or likely to happen. Sohini ought to have reached home by now. Understood? Sohini ought to have reached home by now. Then the negative form ought not to, it is contracted as oughtn't to. Okay. Then we use the next one, that is need. Need. Give advice. Manoj needs to arrange all the shelves in his room and state that something is not necessary. Understood? You need pay the hotel bill now. Okay, not necessary. Okay, we completed. Then all of you want to read again from first to here fastly. Speed up. Speed up. Speed up. Then completed. Speed up. Completed yours. Speed up, speed up. Okay. Tick the correct models to complete this passage. Tick the correct models to complete the passage. Those who read well, they can easily tick it. നന്നായിട്ട് വായിച്ചവർക്ക് ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, മിസ് തന്ന സമയം കുറവാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ വീഡിയോ പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, നമുക്ക് അതൊന്നുകൂടി വായിച്ചിട്ട് ഈ എക്സസൈസ് ചെയ്യാം. Understood? Okay. Then once in Olympus, the abode of Olympus, the abode of the 12 Greek gods, Zeus created a bull. Then Prometheus created a man, and Athena made a house. Zeus suggested that they should ask Momus, the god of criticism, to judge their work. Now Momus could not bear to see the wonderful creations of the three gods. He looked at the bull and complained, Zeus, it would have, yes, which is the auxiliary, the wood. It would have been better if you had put the eyes of the bull on its horn. That would have enabled the animal to see whom he was attacking. Then Momus looked at the man created by Prometheus. He cried, you ought to have thought of the wicked thoughts man sometimes has. Had you attached the brain somewhere outside the body, everyone could have read his evil thoughts and wickedness would not have been hidden. Then looking at Athena's house, he mocked, "How, Athena, you should have placed the house on wheels. Then at least man could have moved away from a neighbor who might have turned out to be a rat." Then look at all three Momus ordered. "You must rid of your work." Hearing this, Zeus was so angered and he said, "You must leave Olympus immediately." That's how Momus was excited. Okay, then I think you got the answers. Then we are going to discuss our B. All of you listen. Dash you reach in time for the interview? Will you? Right, yes. Will you reach in time for the interview? Manu has lived in Pune for 5 years. He speaks Marathi fluently. Villano, canano? Can. Yes, he can speak Marathi fluently. Third one, you dash be more careful when cycling on the main road. Advice aanale, polite aanu. Endana what we can use? Right thing. Yes, or two. Fourth one, dash you let me know the time when the flight will arrive. Could, right, could. Then, fifth one, Mr. Padakar dash have gone to bed by now. Call him tomorrow morning. Mr. Padakar must have gone. Then sixth one, it dash snow tomorrow. It might snow tomorrow. Seventh one, dash you like to have a glass of orange juice? Yes, would you like have? Then eighth one, Rachna dash help you to clean the dishes. Rachna will help you to clean the dishes. Okay. Then just all of you just try to answer next questions. C for your homework and D. All of you open D. Harish, fill in the blanks with the suitable models. You may have to use the negative form of the models in a few places. Then Harish dash catch the train as he was stuck in a traffic jam. Couldn't. Harish couldn't catch. Second one, Usha dash be home by now. Why don't you call and find out? Usha will be home by now, or we can write must. Usha must be home by now. Third one, Suchi will go to Sri Lanka for a holiday this year. Fourth one, the teacher won't let us in the class if we arrive late. Won't, W-O-N-T, won't, contracted form of will not. Then fifth one, the shops must be closed now, or shop will. Okay. Then take these books with you. They might be useful or will be useful. Seventh one, the information could be true or might true. Eighth one, he must be an American. He speaks with an American accent. Ninth one, it dash rain later. It might rain later. Take an umbrella with you. Then 10th one, it dash rain later. Try this new pickle. You will like it. Okay. Then all of you write E, F, G, H as your homework. Okay, my dears, read carefully and find out the answers carefully. Inshallah, I will give you the right answers through WhatsApp. You just try with your pencil. Okay, നിങ്ങൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യുക. ബാക്കി ആൻസേഴ്സ് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് മിസ് വാട്സപ്പിൽ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ മൈ ഡിയേഴ്സ്, അപ്പോൾ നന്നായിട്ട് യു മസ്റ്റ് റീഡ് ദ ചാപ്റ്റർ വെൽ and find out the answers. Okay, thank you.